Namaste. I, JVN Dr. Juhi Singh, Assistant Professor at Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur, Department, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Today's our topic is avoidable habits or unhealthy habits in your life. Firstly, nowadays a lot of the people live without doing any kind of physical exercise. This can be dangerous for our health, and so we need to practice some physical activity. A sedentary lifestyle implies the absence of this physical activity. Example, atrophy of the body function or worsened physical state. You will suffer from more illness. You will put on the weight. Healthy habits like physical activity, rest, a correct diet, body hygiene. Healthy habit of physical activity, which benefit do we obtain when we practice a physical activity regular? A better working of the heart and the circulatory system. It improves the respiratory capacity. It improves our muscles, bone and joints. It improves the activity of the nervous system. It improves the physical condition. It helps you to make the friends. Healthy habits like rest. It is necessary to keep enough time to sleep. Otherwise, your quality of life will get worse. The productivity will be reduced. You will suffer from more physical and psychological damage. You wouldn't pay attention to what happened around you. Sleep as long as necessary for the 7 hours. Do not take either long siestas or very close to the time of sleeping. These siestas must be 15 to 20 minutes. Physical activity, if you get tired, it will be easier to sleep. Think positive things, leave aside the negative thoughts. Sleep inside the darkness. Choose a fixed time to get up every day. Healthy habits, correct diet. Start your day with a good breakfast. You need energy to study, to exercise, to enjoy. The nutrition we get from the food, like carbohydrates, the carbohydrates provide mainly energy, and they are very important for the student and athletes. They are found in the cereals, bread, sugar, vegetable and fruits. The proportion of the carbohydrate in the diet is 60%. Protein, they are found in the milk, fish, meat, egg. Either the abuse or lack of them harmful, the proportion is 15%. Fat, they provide energy. It's better to eat uncooked food or fat and avoid fat from the animal origin and fried products. Olive oil and blue fish are very healthy. The proportion of fat in the diet must be 25 to 30%. It is advisable not to take too many fat because they are fatty. Vitamins and minerals, some vitamins are often only present in some vegetables and fruits. So it's important to eat them. Water is essential for life. You must drink a great quantity of water after physical activity. During the long physical activity or exercise, you must drink a well but every no of them. Body hygiene is also a good habit which we have to do. Go to the doctor and not make sure you don't have physical problem. Wear the right clothes for the activity. Wear sports clothes. Avoid useless accessories like ring, watches, dangerous earrings. Wear trainers. Tie them correctly. Wait for 2 hours after eating before starting any kind of physical activity. Do a good warm up. Fair play. Get washed after exercise. Clean your sweat. Drink enough water. If possible, eat some fruit, not sweet or snacks. What are the unhealthy habits like tobacco, drink, drugs, obesity and alcohol? Tobacco is high risk of tobacco include the lungs and heart diseases. Tobacco causes in Spain about 4 lakh deaths every year. It brings about plenty of illness such as lungs or mouth cancer, cough, heart attack. Besides tobacco, damage not only a smoker but also to the person or people who breathe in the smoke. Remember, law protects non-smokers. It's forbidden to smoke in school, hospitals, or any kind of enclosed public places. Alcohol. Alcohol is the most consumed toxic substance in our society. It limits our body function above all the brain functions. It damages our nerve system and make us slower. It causes loss of memory, heart illness. Drugs. The cannabis, it is byproduct are the hashish and the marijuana. When the smoke, it is absorbed by the lungs and go fast into the brain. Problems may have like problems in the capacity, concentration, and with your memory. It reduces the concentration changes in the sexual maturation hormones. Obesity is the overweight are defined as the greater accumulation of fat that can damage your health. According to WHO 2005, there were 61,600 million adults with the overweight and at least 400 million with the obesity. The WHO estimates that by 2015, there will be the 2,300 million adults with overweight and more than 700 with the obesity. Cause of the obesity, the main cause of the nutritional disorder between what you eat and what you burn up. Factor a worldwide change in the diet, eating food with a great quantity of calories, fat and sugar, but few vitamins and minerals. We tend to reduce our physical activity due to sedentary nature of the many jobs or to the several changes in the transport. Obesity and overweight have the serious consequences of your health. Cardiovascular illness, diabetes, osteoarthritis and cancer. So this is the bad habit. Habits, we can define the habit also. Habit something that you do often and regularly, sometimes without knowing that you are doing it. And a bad habit, a bad pattern of behavior that is customary and regular, that is often repeated. So common bad habits like nail biting, compulsive shopping, hair pulling and frilling, nose picking, cracking and conquers, being a know-it-all, right? And then chewing with the mouth open, then fidgeting, right? The chronic lateness, and then eavesdropping, gossiping, pencil chewing, lip biting, whispering it in the front of other people, popping gum, drinking a lot of coffee, smoking the cigarettes, eating many times in the fast food, drinking alcohol, eating lot of sweets and chocolates, using your smartphone too much, video games, using the drugs, taking talking to yourself is very bad habits, and some of the good habits for unhealthy life. Look for a bright side. Healthy people are most optimistic than unhealthy people. They do not waste the time and energy complaining. If they think they need to make change in their life, they do it. It is important a positive mental attitude. Like exercising, healthy people enjoy exercising. They spend their time partaking in the exercises they like doing and avoid those they hate. This means if you hate running, you don't run. If you hate going to the gym, you don't go. So find something you like to doing. Prepare healthy meal ahead the time. Practicing unhealthy behavior is convenient. There is a fast, cheap, unhealthy food available around you. But to be healthy, it is necessary to spend the time preparing healthy food or healthy meal. When you have a spare time, this can be preparing healthy lunch in the right before you going to work. So you don't have to go out to eat or cutting the veggies to take the snacks. Make health make health in a priority in our life. This is perhaps the most important habit of healthy people. They make conscious choice to be healthy. They understand that their health is the gift and they don't take it granted. Aside from the family, friends and work, health is an important, most of the important priority. Do not believe in the dieting. Diet are temporary and health flops as well as aware of this. Diet are short-term fix and bad ache and is an issue requiring the long-term approaches. Healthy people know the eating well is the lifelong endeavor. Eat breakfast every morning. Research shows the people who have a morning meal tend to take more vitamins and minerals and less cholesterol. Thus result often leaner body and low cholesterol count and chances of overeating. It is important a meal with carbohydrate, protein, small amount of fat. The single food cannot give us all the nutrients you need. Eating a variety of food is essential for a good health. Go plenty of the sleep. Those who suffer from the lack of the sleep disorder and are productive, spend much on the health care and increase likelihood accident compared to the healthy people. It is important to sleep 7 and 8 hours every night. Eat healthy snacks. Snacks can make or break. Snacks can make or break your healthy goals. That's why healthy people choose to eat snacks like raw almonds, vegetables, fruit and nuts. With this type of healthy snacks, you can adopt one of the most important habits in your healthy people. Exercise, hair pulling and twirling is a bad habit. Popping and this is all are the bad habits. So healthy habits, do exercises, lot of exercises, eat lot of fruits and vegetables, sleep well, get plenty of the sleep at least. I have told you all those things. Drink lot of water, brush your teeth every meal, wash your hand before eating, have a shower every day, play some sports, use tissue for a sneeze or blow your nose, reduce, reuse and recycle. Read every day, set the table, study and do your homework every day and get dressed yourself. Swimming, health, for cooking and cleaning, go gym, stick correctly, and be happy every day. So that's all about the topic. Namaste, thank you. If you have any query, just comment.